Hi YouTubers, JDCap26 here. We just do repair and tips, and we're doing modeling now. And we got a sheet of paper here. What we do is we look at the model itself, and we go through and we figure out which colors we want to make the model, and we write them down, and then we pick them out from what the we have in the rack. So it's good to write the colors you want to use down. Then you can go through and paint the model. So let's get started on this model. Put this aside, and we got to spray it a base coat. So take this out right here, and shake the primer up. Put some primer in here. Primer in there. Put that over there. Get the little wire here. There's a little wire, and hold that. What you want to do is take the little wire, which is right here, and hard to see, and you go through the top of it. Make sure it's opened up like that. And you can see that. See the wire there? And make sure it's opened up. And hang that up on the magnet over there. Hope you're all having a good morning today. And put our colors to the side. And release our curtain over here for overspray. Give it a spray. And make sure that's tight. I didn't have that tightened down there enough. Give it a mist. You just want to get a tack coat on there of primer. Do the little head here. Turn them here. Okay. I'm going to dry it up with the hair dryer. So we're mixing up some green here, and open that up. Grab the airbrush and put some green. This is for the suit part of the model, and hopefully we can get this on here. So like that. So now we're going to use some purple, and the purple is for the veins. And we're going to actually do that with the airbrush, the veins. Make sure you shake up the paints. And pour some purple in here. And put that to the side. So we're going to go in. See the vein right there? Gotta be careful with this. say, well, gee, there's overspray. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to spray the veins. Then we're going to go in with a paintbrush and paint in between. That's what you got to do. Okay. Just going little by little. And yes, we are cleaning the brush in between with Windex Original. And that's what I use. I use pure Windex Original. And put a little black in here. Okay, because we're going to do the feet. Put that right there. Hopefully, make sure your hands are clean when you handle your model. Because when you're moving it, you don't want to place it, paint. So we're going to go down here. I got to look really close and see how the paint's coming out. See the feet are done. So in between, I've been dumping the paint back in the bottle that I don't use, putting the Windex in there, and then scraping the sides here. And then I have a waste container I dump this into, and I do that about 3 times. We're going to put some black paint in here in the paint tray. We're going to do some detail painting. And please rate and subscribe when you see these videos, and ring the little bell and get that in early. So what we're going to do is we'll turn them around by the head and see it back here. We're going to go every other one with the black. So we're going to go in here, go black here, put the black in there, and the black in here, and then black in here. And keep dipping your brush, and you start up here, some black there, some black there, and right here. And go to the top here. Like that. And then down here, we got to do this down here. Missed right there. I hope you can see this. If not, I'm filling every other one. And right there. Then we're going to switch brushes. I'm going to get another brush. Let's see. I gotta really clean my brushes a little bit better than I do. See the pattern we're making? I looked at this model earlier and, without any paint on it, I said, gee, it looks pretty good just the way it is. And I wasn't going to paint it at all. It's like, it's so well made that you don't even want to touch it once you put it together. But I said, no, gotta paint it. Like that. Now I gotta do the front. So I gotta turn him around. I'm gonna turn him around by his head. We got all that to do. Yep. So where would we leave off here? We left, just gonna put some white in here. Right there. And then over here. So I'm gonna do that, okay? And we'll get back to you. So now we're doing back to white here. And what we're gonna do his eyes. Like that. Can you see that? Get some better light here. Could use a lamp. Got bulging eyes. Fill the eye socket in with white. All the way up to there. A lot of detail to these, so you really got to watch the details. You could miss a detail and throw everything off. The center of his eye is black, so we have to go in there with the black brush and just put the black in there, a stripe of black, like that. You see? See how he looks? There you go. So now we're using a Knoll green from Reaper, and we're going to use that for the skin tone, and do the hands with that. I don't think I dispensed enough Knoll green, but I will. And it's a very good color for this Martian. I call him a Martian. He's an invader from Mars, of the Saucer Man. So like that. I'm hoping you can see this as I paint. You could just dry brush over it too. Leave some of the back of the green there. We're going to make his nails black on the other side. We have to turn it around. And I'll show you on the head. Hopefully I can show you this. We're going to go in between. Like that. Oh yeah, it's very detailed work to do this. So you have to pay attention. But eventually you get it done, like anything else. And then there's a sense of accomplishment. It's like, wow, did I do that? You sure did. I like hands-on practical things that you can, use your hands with. Carpentry, repairing computers, things of that nature. I'm sure you do too. You wouldn't be watching this and other channels like it. So like that. See how that's going to come out? I got to use a smaller brush, but you get the picture. So we're going along here with the flashlight, and because it's dark in my bench here, early morning, and just filling in between the veins here. And it's very tedious, yes, it is. So that's what we're doing. So now we're doing the head part of this model, and we're just filling in with a flesh tone. And I want to show you that two-handed hold like this. You go in and you go like this. The vision of the saucer men is all done, and there it is in its entirety. Let's look at it. Hope you enjoy my videos, and rate and subscribe. Ring the notification bell with the little ringers on the side. And thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.